Welcome to another video. Today I'm doing something I've never done before. For the first time on the channel, let us review a BMW vehicle. For the longest time I've not been able to review any BMW vehicle. Actually, as I'm recording this, I'm remembering that the only vehicle that I've reviewed from BMW was the X7. That was done a long time ago. Also, that was not from the BMW dealership. It was from BB Motors where I used to work. It was a pre-facelift model. That vehicle was going on auction, so they had to take it to BB Motors first just to see if the guys from that side would be able to sell it. No one was able to sell that machine. It ended up going on auction. That video didn't even get a lot of views on my channel. I don't know whether it's because the car is not that popular or maybe that it is just not people's car. In this current video, let us speak about the 2026 BMW 320d Mzansi Edition. I'm doing this review at BMW Sandton. From here going forward, I'll be able to give you reviews from Johannesburg. To do these kind of things, it was not possible when I was in Tzaneen, Limpopo. A lot of dealerships that side are still backwards. They never really associate themselves with car reviewers. I think for them it's like car reviewers are car inspectors, and those are totally two different things. Let us begin with the review of the BMW 320d Mzansi Edition now. Fumi015 RPM is a YouTube channel dedicated to giving you the best car reviews. I present to you by the name Fumi. I am a former sales executive at BB Motors. If you simply want to be a smart shopper in the vehicle industry, you are in the right direction. Thank you for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe. Between the BMW M340i and this Mzansi Edition 320d, the differences are very minimal. The 320d Mzansi Edition gives you that M340 vibes. In fact, even the power and torque figures of the BMW 320d are not bad at all. This car is powered by a 2-liter turbo diesel 4-cylinder engine that will produce 140 kilowatts of power and 400 newton meters of torque. This is such a lot of power. Besides that, you're gonna be cooked by a lot of VW Golf GTI guys on the road. They will definitely cook you, no doubt on that one. The current 8.5 GTI pushes 195 kilowatts of power. Already with this one you are behind. On top of that, the VW Golf GTIs are lighter than BMW 3 Series. However, something is very impressive about this BMW 320d. It is the fuel consumption. It averages 5 liters in 100 kilometers. How on earth would you achieve such figures with a BMW sedan? It's like you are driving a VW Polo TSI, because this fuel consumption average is not believable on paper. But believe me, everybody who drives this car can confirm with me. It is such a fuel efficient sedan on the road. It sends power to the rear wheels via an 8-speed automatic transmission. This engine has a full capacity of 59 liters, a range of around 1180 kilometers, maximum top speed of 235 km per hour, and the acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7 seconds. The current VW Golf 8.5 GTI accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.6 seconds, whereas the Golf 8 GTI is around 6.5 if I'm not mistaken. Even if this GTI guys would cook you, it won't be with so much gap. If you are going on a straight line for a long distance, I think the 320d might have a great comeback. On these figures, I'm still very much impressed by the fact that you can travel around 1180 kilometers of fuel range. This shows how fuel efficient this BMW 320d is. You just can never go wrong with any diesel BMW. And the fact that this is a Mzansi Edition, you have got a lot of specs on the exterior features. If you wanna ask me, they come as standard. Some of these features include the 19-inch alloy wheels that come as standard. These are very beautiful, especially the fact that they come in gloss black. I absolutely love these ones for sure. Sort of a carbon fiber trimming is added across the exterior view of the vehicle. For instance, on the front end under spoiler, you've got a carbon fiber trimming that makes this 320d to look amazing. On the side skirts, you also have a carbon fiber trimming. The same happens with the exterior mirrors as well as the rear end boot spoiler. I am so much impressed by what BMW South Africa has done here on the Mzansi Edition. They understood what a cool car in Mzansi looks like. In this time of life where everyone's eyes are attached on the SUVs, I would still go for a sedan vehicle any day, anytime. Red brake calipers also come as standard, LED daytime running lights and headlamps as standard. The front grille of this BMW 320d can open if it wants to cool the engine. For the rest of the time it will remain closed. For some reason I love this grille on this BMW 3 Series, because the one on the current generation BMW 4 Series, I don't like it at all. In my honest opinion, BMW shouldn't have went for that grille. At first glance it is giving Alfa Romeo vibes, but then the same grille on the BMW M4 is a perfect fit. That one looks very amazing lighting, especially if you don't have a number plate in the front. That way it will look very beautiful. Front and rear parking sensors are available. An electrically operated sunroof is also standard. There's a blind spot monitoring system on the exterior mirrors. At the rear end there's a reversing camera, LED tail lamps and a high mount stop light. The tail lights on the current BMW 3 Series are the best looking ever. Rear bumper looks very sporty with twin tailpipes that are real. Let us quickly jump inside and find out what the BMW 320D Mzansi Edition has to offer. First of all, the material quality on the door is very impressive, especially that this is far from being a top spec. It is just a 320D at the end of the day. All windows are electrically operated, seats come in leather, heated front seats are optional, front seats are also manually operated. If I can do this for the driver's seat, imagine the front passenger seat. It is going to be just the same. I wouldn't mind adjusting seats manually in the BMW 320D. Especially that this one comes in an M Sport package. The cabin of the BMW 320D is different from all the cars I've reviewed. I am obviously speaking about the likes of the C220D. The C220D is more luxurious, whereas the 320D is more sporty. Front seats come with an under thigh support. Steering wheel is leather wrapped with multifunctional controls. This one is such a sport steering wheel, not a standard one. It also has got shifting pedals as standard. I am such a huge fan of BMW from childhood. I'm actually realizing now that I need to email the PR manager at BMW South Africa. I really need to get this one as a test drive car. I would even take it to Limpopo for a drive, back to the roads that I'm familiar with. That is where it all began, Fumi 015 RPM. But basically this is what I'll be doing for as long as I'm still here in Gauteng. I'll email PR managers so I can get the cars as test cars. N1 from Gauteng to Limpopo is my familiar route. I'm going to begin with that one before I explore other provinces. My hometown is basically 3 hours away anyway. Digital instrument cluster is standard, multi-touch infotainment screen as well. To operate your climatic controls, you need to use the infotainment screen. I think this is the part I wouldn't like about the BMW 3 Series, but that's just a minor thing anyway. The material quality on the dashboard is impressive. There is so much ambient lighting going on in the car. Your cup holders are hidden because you open there and find them. That is where you'll also come across a USB port. You'll also find another USB port underneath the armrest. This armrest is also soft and definitely comfortable for long distances. Instead of a traditional gear lever, you find this small gear knob. Things have really changed when it comes to a lot of manufacturers. For as long as you find a gear knob, you can never find a traditional parking brake. That is why an electronic parking brake is standard in here. Satellite navigation is standard as well. For driving profiles, we've got sport, eco, as well as comfort. The entire headliner is black in color with a panoramic sunroof, of course. Sun visors have got illumination and vanity mirrors, a decent size on the glove box. Seat belts in here are not the normal ones. You get the M Performance seat belts. The second row is a lot of space for your rear passengers. It is also quite comfortable. In fact, it is as comfortable as some of the Chinese SUVs, or even all of them if I may say. Legroom and headspace are very much sorted. Metal seat can be turned into a center armrest. This armrest will also come integrated with cup holders. You press a button and these cup holders will show up. If you don't want them, they won't be in display. At the back of the center console, there are 2 USB-C ports and a climatic control. Behind the front seats, you find pockets. As standard, you get 6 airbags in this cabin. ISOFIX child seat mountings are also standard. Jumping onto the luggage area, the tailgate is electric. You open it electrically and close it electrically. If you are wondering how much of the luggage space you get in here, it is definitely a lot more than you can imagine. Most people buy the BMW 3 Series as a family vehicle. If you get this car with the same intentions, you will never go wrong. Rear seats can be folded 60-40 if you want space more than what you see here. You are very much sorted in that department. Upon closing the tailgate, I'm noticing I didn't speak about the shark fin antenna. How can one review a BMW and forget a shark fin antenna? Quite not possible, right? Otherwise, let us speak about the price of this BMW 320D Mzansi Edition. The one that we are reviewing here has around 13,000 kilometers on the clock. You can find a lot of these on Auto Trader. Even at We Buy Cars, you can also find them. Let's take an example with the one that you see on the screen. I found it on Auto Trader priced at 859,000 rands. If you can finance it in 6 years with 0 deposit and 0 balloon payment at an interest rate of 10.25%, you are going to spend around 16,022 rands on monthly repayment. You can still shop around on Auto Trader for the best price. Always remember to negotiate when you buy a vehicle. Let me know in the comment section if you love the BMW 320D Mzansi Edition. I'll be here in Johannesburg for a while. I have already started giving you car reviews that I've not been able to do in Tanin. Please make sure to subscribe, press the like button on the video. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in another video.